that's coming in at the moment. Another encounter taking place with terrorists in the Tral region in South Kashmir in the Pulwama district. Encounter started between terrorists and the security forces. This took place in Tral in Pulwama. This is the second encounter in the last 48 hours. Security forces so far have killed 3 Lashkar terrorists in Keller in Shopian. Fierce encounters are now taking place across Jammu and Kashmir. This is the second encounter that took place in the last 48 hours. Earlier, security forces had killed 3 Lashkar terrorists in Keller, Shopian. Encounter started between terrorists and security forces at Nadir village in Tral in Pulwama district. Another encounter with terrorists in Tral region in South Kashmir in Pulwama district. My colleague Ashraf Wani is now joining me on the story. Ashraf, we have seen how our security forces have been in high alert mode. In the last 48 hours, this is the second encounter that we are seeing.
Absolutely, Ashwarya. Early morning today, this encounter started in the Nadir village of Tral area in the Pulwama district of South Kashmir, where 3 local Jaish militants are believed hiding are trapped in a residential area. This encounter started on a specific input when there was input with the security forces that some of the terrorists are hiding in the Tral area. The operation was launched in the wee hours on Thursday, and there was a small exchange of fire. Now the all area has been cordoned off to seal the all exits and entries to the area so that these terrorists could be neutralized or captured. Absolutely, you are told right that within the last 48 hours, it is the second encounter in the South Kashmir. On Tuesday, 3 Lashkar local terrorists were killed in the Keller area of the Shopian district in the South Kashmir, and this is the second encounter where 3 Jaish local militants are believed trapped in the area. The operations had been already intensified by the security forces after the Pahalgam terror attack on 22nd of April, but there was some kind of a pause during Operation Sindoor, when once there is a ceasefire with Pakistan, the operations across the Jammu and Kashmir against the terrorists had been intensified, and particularly there is a massive hunt for all those terrorists who are behind the heinous crime of Pahalgam massacre.
Right, Ashraf, if you can also throw light on what exactly is taking place across Jammu and Kashmir at the moment. We understand the security are on high alert. Can we also expect these kind of encounters in coming days as well?
Absolutely, Ashwarya. Basically, this decision was taken after the Pahalgam terror attack, that the whole terror networks across the Jammu and Kashmir will be vanished, and that is why we have seen that how the houses of all those active terrorists were first blasted across the Jammu and Kashmir. Then the massive search and combing operations were launched from nook to corner across the Jammu and Kashmir. When I'm talking to you, there is not only this operation going on in the Tral, there are many other security and combing operations carried out by the special forces in the Pahalgam forests. Also, we have inputs from the Riyasi district, where there was some suspicious movement seen yesterday evening, and there was also the search operation launched by the army and the security forces. Basically, a new strategy has been adopted after the Pahalgam attack against the terrorists who are active in the Jammu and Kashmir, including the locals as well as the foreign terrorists.
Thank you, Ashraf, giving us all those details. My colleague giving us the latest coming in from Jammu and Kashmir in the last 48 hours. This is the second encounter that we are now seeing happening in Pulwama.